Hey guys, Jim Swish here, with another Excel tip for you. And this one's about, a little square. And no, I'm not talking about myself. I think I'm pretty cool. But this square in Excel can save you a boatload of time. Let me show you. Now when you select any cell, you'll notice, look at that, tiny little square in the bottom right corner. What does it do? I'll show you. Let me just type my name here. Grab that cell again. Hover over that little square and look, we got a little cross. Now we can drag that down. And look at all those Jim Swishes. We just filled that up. Or we could drag it this way. And get them all going that way too. Pretty neat. Another cool thing is as long as you have some data on one side here, I can grab that and double click. And look at that, fills it all the way down, right to there. And that's not all this little square can do. Check it out. Let's say I start typing some numbers. 2, and I select those. Now I can drag my little square down, and look at that. If you can see, it's counting up by 1. That works with math. If I do 2 and a 4, drag that bad boy down, we're counting by 2s. Let's do months. I'm just gonna do the shorties. And then, look at that. So, that's a pretty cool square if you ask me. And if you're not using it, maybe I help save you some time. Let me know in the comments, and thanks for joining me. Be sure to hit that like button, I guess. And I love you.